Something I get asked all the time is how to pack for a weekend away or a little mini break. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So let's start the selection process. And I'm going to be ruthless because I don't want to be carrying around pieces that I'm never going to wear. So the first pieces I always plan on my outfit is my travel look. Now this has to be super comfortable, easy to wear, easy to fling on, great to get in and out of cars, on planes, wherever you're going, think about comfort first. The other thing I think about is, can I wear the heaviest pieces with this outfit? So in this case, I've got my boots on. Don't have to carry them, they're on my feet, perfect. I'm going to pop on a little scarf. Now I'm wearing the Lolly jersey, very, very comfortable, elasticated waist, and also really nice because they have a little fly detail here, so you can elevate these trousers. So they're great for travel, but also if you needed to zhuzh them up over the weekend, perfect. Then I've got on our little river knitted waistcoat, which is soft and easy to wear, particularly good for travel because it's not restricting me. And then the Candice top, soft sleeve, nice little blousey thing going on, really, really comfortable, great layering pieces. Then I'm just going to grab, for travel as well, a scarf, and I'm only going to take one scarf away for the weekend, so I'm going to make sure that it goes with everything. There we go, it's all blending nicely, and then I just need a jacket to put over the top. So I've just taken off my scarf to show you how the jacket works, and this is perfect. I've got layers, I've got soft layers, so I can peel off my jacket if I need to. The little river waistcoat is working beautifully as a layer and another little bit of texture and colour. Perfect. Let me bung the scarf back on and I'll be ready to tick the box for my travel outfit there and coming home. Done. I have kept the top on and the waistcoat, as you can see, and just swapped my bottom. So this is the Mara Satin. Love this skirt. Super comfortable, elasticated on the waist, nice detail at the bottom, longer at the back than the front. Pockets, of course. So this one is definitely coming with me, and it rolls up really small, so it's light and easy to take. Great, tick, tick. So these work, and I know that these trousers are going to work with the jacket, so I've got a little suit option there, but I really love the relaxed shape the trousers are giving me. It works with the black on top, which I had with the previous outfit, so definitely ticking boxes. And I really like the freshness of the white trainer, so I've got the chunky boots and now the white trainer is working really well. So this is really cool. I've got a suit on board, so if I want to feel a little bit more elevated, a little bit more polished when I'm mooching around, this is doing the trick. I've got my little sequin bag, which would be perfect for evening, but I really love it for a daytime, slightly edgy, cool little pop of interest. It also means that if I can't be bothered with packing loads of different jewellery options, this does the job. I love the cool tones from my scarf and the silver of the bag. That's adding a little bit of depth to the outfit. Then I've got my cotton Dylan shirt on, nice little bit of layering there. If it gets warm, I can take my jacket off and my scarf, and I'm prepared. Fresh trainers, yeah, it's coming together. My gorgeous, gorgeous pink jumper, Dora, is now a scarf. Perfect little bit of multi-usage going on. Then I've got my shopper, which is great for out and about. I feel like I could sort of go, I don't know, mooching around a market in this combo with the lightweight Dylan shirt. Now this is perfect if the weather gets a little bit warmer. I've got my trainers on, the trousers are a linen mix, I've got my basket messaging springtime, but I've got the coziness and the pop of colour from my jumper. Keeping with the pink, I am now mixing this gorgeous colour with my leopard print trousers. And I really love the fact that this works. And I think it works because the leopard print is quite a cool tone. If it had more of a sort of caramelly golden colour to it, I don't think it would work with the pink, but it does. And this is the last look that I'm going to show you because I've got plenty for my long weekend away. I've added the Grace linen coat. It's going to be perfect for the weather. The forecast is looking good. So it means that this is going to work really well. If I get a little bit chilly, I can use the Dora as a scarf. I can layer up. I've got my other grey scarf. I've got my bag. Let's try. Pattern and pattern. And it works. I mean, I've got the pattern of the bag, leopard print, and a little fine stripe in my jacket, but I love it. So I've got lots and lots of options. I am going to keep it literally this little lot. So I've got tops, I've got the little top there, shirt I've got on, and a sleeveless vest. Then I've got layering options. I've got jacket options with my Andi shirt, which is going to look great as a standalone piece, or like I said, as a jacket. I mean, that looks great with the trouser and the basket and the white trainer. So there are definitely more combinations I can get out of this, which I think is also really important. I don't know about you, but I might wake up and feel like creating a whole new outfit. And I can, because I've got all these pieces that blend perfectly. Got my travel outfit on, and everything fits into my weekend shopper. So I don't even need to take a suitcase. I've got my trainers in there. I've got my makeup, minimal, and wash bag, undies, socks, ready to go. Look at that. Compact and bijou.